Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my incredibly sleepy sidekicks today. We're so happy you're here. I have my April Glamour jewelry box to share with you today. Love Glamour jewelry box. Before I get started, if you're new to my channel, I'm Laura. This incredibly sleepy white puppy is Wyatt. I'm waking him up. And this one who's trying to stay out of camera view is Xena. So apparently all you're going to see is her bum. She's such a sweetheart sometimes. All right. I'm so glad you're here. Please do stick around. We try to bring a video to you each and every day. Would love you to hit that subscribe button and hang out with us. Let's get into my little pouch here. So Glamour Jewelry Box is a jewelry subscription. It is yours to keep. It costs $34 a month, and for that you get 2 pieces of high-end jewelry to keep. That does include shipping. And let's see, this month's theme is the Cherry Blossom collection. You do get a little card. It comes in a outer package that looks like this. And it says, we are celebrating this special bloom that only happens once a year. The Cherry Blossom collection represents pieces that are delicate, feminine, and trendy, carefully curated for this special season. Elevate your everyday with these beautiful and stunning pieces. All right. You do tend to get dainty and trendy pieces each and every month. You get to choose what metal you would like to get. Your choices are, you can get a rotation. So meaning you could get your either rose gold and gold or silver. So you can choose to get a rotation of those or one or the other. So the first choice is rose and rose gold combined, or only silver, or a rotation of both. All right, I like any of them. Send them any of them to me and I'm good. You always get little cards that tell you about the jewelry inside your pouch and what the retail value of them are. And typically your jewelry is valued at over $50 for your $34 value. And we'll see how much these are valued at. All right, these look fun. All right, let's do these earrings first. I can't wait to try these on. I like these. Here's what they come inside this little plastic to protect them. Oh, I love these. I love an awesome dangle, and that's what these look like. So pretty. Check these out. Oh, so pretty. I love it. I feel like I'm not showing it to you in the best of lights. Oh, check these out. So pretty. Love those. I'm scaring Xena. She's leaving. Oh, I love those. Those are so pretty. Looks like the perfect size. They're not heavy. All right, we're going to try those on for you. Let's see what it says. It says that the Sakura earring features a drop rhombus shape. These lightweight earrings are a trendy meets feminine look, perfect for the current sunny season. Sakura is the Japanese term for ornamental cherry blossom trees and their blossoms, and hopefully I pronounced that right. The value is $29, and it comes from the Madison Parker collection. And I have to put these on because I cannot wait to see what these look like. If you would like to give Glamour Jewelry Box a try and you use the code HAPPY, you will get an extra piece of jewelry in your collection valued at over $25 in your first box. These are so pretty, aren't they? In love. Oh, I'm in love with these. I reach for so many of my Glamour Jewelry Box pieces on a daily basis. You can see those in my weekly What I Wore videos that post every Sunday. I always feature a Glamour Jewelry Box piece in those videos during the week, always. Love my Glamour Jewelry Box pieces. There's the second one. How pretty is that? Okay, in love. There's more though. I can't stop. I have, oh, there's more. Let me get to the second piece because I'm in love with these earrings. Okay. Yes, looks like I have a necklace as well. And let me look at the card here while I pull this out. It says that this is the Hailey leaf necklace featuring a pave leaf pendant that is dainty and delicate. This necklace is plated in 14-karat rose gold rhodium and designed with the perfect tint of sparkle. A classic you're sure to reach for on the daily. The retail is $42. So this is well over, like, what is it, $71 then is the retail value of these two pieces. Look how pretty that is. That has some really pretty sparkle to it. So pretty. All right, we're going to get this on. I don't know if you guys could hear Wyatt's tummy. Did you hear Wyatt's tummy just now? And it does look like it has a pretty long chain here for adjustment. So that's nice. I'm going to try to show it to you against my black that I have on today. Look how pretty. And I love this, the delicate with the statement. Looks so pretty together, right? These might be my new favorite pieces. I have a favorite pair of earrings from them that I wear all the time. I get compliments on them all the time, but these might be my new favorites now. Love. I love both pieces. Great job, Glamour Jewelry Box. Love, love. These are so pretty. You can still get the April collection, so I will put all the information down below in case you want to give this subscription a try. So pretty. All right, but you tell me what you think. What did you think of these two pieces? And usually you get a combination of between earrings, necklaces, and bracelets. That's typically, you'll get 2 out of those 3 pieces. And I will list these 2 pieces down below. Once you are a member, you can typically shop their site also for past pieces, which I love. All right, well, that is my collection for April. I think they did an amazing job. I'm in love with these earrings and the necklace, and I'm so glad that you spent time with me today. Please do hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Can't wait to read your comments, so please do comment down below. It's my favorite part about doing these videos. I do try to answer as many comments as I possibly can, but I do read them all, even if I don't get a chance to respond to every one of them. So please do comment down below. Would love you to hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe button, as I mentioned earlier. And if you already have, thank you, thank you, thank you. Until next time, bye everybody.